2009 Dodge Challenger RT 5.7 liter Hemi. Beautiful white color. You got the stock catalytic converters. He's gonna bring it back next week. We're gonna put high flows into an X pipe, and then a factory X pipe. Then we did a mid muffler delete or resonator delete, and a mid and a rear delete, also muffler or resonator. Depends what you call it. Each person calls it differently. So I stopped saying it. There's the tips. There it is right there. And that's where it's been deleted. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Let us in the comments know what you thought about the sound. Dun, dun, dun. Hear the real power of Dodge. Much better. That's true power right there. Hemi. Much better?
Yeah.
Hemi, Hemi, Hemi. Get your money for the Hemi. Much better. RT Challenger. Got the stripes, the hood thingy, whatever that is. It's really nice. I like it. Let's see if he burns the tires. You think he's gonna do it? Yeah? All right, let's see. And that's how it's done.